you have a question like 4 to the power of k plus 3, and this is going to be equal to 16 times 2 to the power of k. So I think here we have to show our working clearly, or the full working, and you need to work out what the value for k should be. Now I'm looking at this question, and I find that this number is raised to the base 2, and this is 16, and this is 4. I think it would be easier for me to tackle this if I raise this number to the base of power of 2, and also 16, because that will make it kind of consistent in our working. So if I go straight, I'm going to raise this to the power of 2, so there's going to be 2 to the power of 2, and of course I have to put that in brackets to differentiate it from the power here, which is k plus 3, and of course 16, I have to raise it to the power of 2, that will be 2 to the power of 4, and of course times this by 2 to the power of k. Alright, and I think this makes it easier. Focus on the left. You can multiply out the powers. Alright, so that's gonna be 2 here. Now if you multiply 2 times this, well, you could say that this is then going to be 2 bracket k plus 3, and on the right here 2 and 2, again same base number, take one of the base and add the top numbers, that's 4 plus k. Now obviously you can see that you can cancel out the base number because they have the same base, so I might as well cancel out this base 2 and the base 2 on the left side also. So now we have left 2 bracket k plus 3 is equals to 4 plus k. I think we're getting somewhere now. So if you expand this equation on the left, 2 times k is 2k plus, and 2 times 3 is 6, is equals to, you have 4 plus k. Now I will have to write this at the top here so that you can see the train of thought pattern. Okay, so here I'm writing this up here. This we have here 2k plus 6 is equals to 4 plus k. Now this is an equation where you have the same variable on either side. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to bring the k's to the left, and of course every other number put that k to the right. And one way you could do that, you have to, because here's the plus k, I'll just add the minus k here and a minus k here, and you'll notice that's going to reduce it to 2k minus k. That's just going to be k plus 6 is equals to 4. Now of course you can find out k minus k is definitely 0, so it doesn't have to apply. So now we have k plus 6 equals 4, and again you could do the same thing. This is plus 6, so you add the reverse of it, which is minus 6 on both sides, so you have minus 6 here and minus 6 here, and that kind of reduces it to plus and minus is 0, so that cancels out itself, and that's equals, and 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. So you can see that the value of k is minus 2. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, you can leave me some comments in the comment section. Again, thank you, and see you in the next video.